guys! Welcome to another episode of Power Reviews. If you want to know more about the Neecara makeup, liquid blushes in particular, and lip glosses, just keep on watching. So today we're going to do a review on the Neecara liquid blush. Yes, this is the one look down ng nurse. And I also have unicorn lip glosses from Neecara. Start with the blush. This is how it looks like. I've been trying this blush I've been testing this blush for like 2 weeks now, and I must say it is really pigmented. Swatch natin. Ang dami. By the way, this is from Thailand and I bought this for $3.50. The shade that I have here is number 4. So, ayan, sobrang liquid niya. Tapos, pag binlend mo siya, ayan, sobrang dami. So, isang pump lang yan para siyang foundation. Nakakatuwa may pump siya. Tapos, eto, we'll put this on the face na. This side of my face has powder and concealer. Let's see. Or I want to show you guys if it will move on top of your foundation. Tapos dito yung wala. So, I have to work faster kasi kumakalat na siya at nakaputi ako. So, onti-onti lang. Ito yung side na wala. As you can see, super ganda niya. For like that drunk blush effect. I will show a picture of me wearing this sa office. Dito or something. Yan. Ang ganda niya kasi parang hindi siya super matte or something. Ano ba yung something? Hindi siya super matte. It gives you that healthy glow as well. Tapos dito naman, lagay natin siya sa dito sa side na may powder. Wala. You just have to work faster. Kasi kanina ko pa to nilagay sa back of my hands. Tapos, be careful lang kasi yung isang pump, nakita nyo naman ang dami. Blend natin pababa. Ang dami niya, di ba? So, kaunti lang is enough to make you have like the drunk blush effect. So, eto na siya. This is how it looks like. Na-move niya ba yung concealer? Medyo na-move niya yung concealer ko. Pero hindi naman sobra. So, super light ko to gamit like a nude lipstick. Tapos ito lang, super achieve niya yung drunk blush effect. Tapos lalo na ngayon medyo malamig. Medyo malamig, tapos parang nilalamig ka lang na blush. That's what I really like about it. Tapos, after I put on the blush, I put on powder para medyo natural lang siya. Pero actually, on its own, mukha naman talaga siyang natural lang. Pero in person, talagang parang namumula ka. Para kang nilalamig, para kang nasa snow. Ganon yung effect ng blush na to sa akin. 4 colors. Lagay ko yung picture here. Tapos, yung packaging niya, let's just talk about the packaging first. It has glass frosted packaging. And it has a pump, as you can see. Tapos, 15 grams of product. Ang dami na nito. For me, this can last for a year. In fairness, it lasted the whole shift. So, yung shift ko is from 10 in the evening, 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. And then, pagka-uwi ko, meron pa rin ako mga 8. Pero hindi na ganito katingkad. Medyo naglaylo na siya. So, you can build the color as you want to kasi buildable naman siya. To retouch every now and then. Lalo na ako, busy ako sa work. I don't have time to retouch. Okay, so let's go with the lip gloss. Ito yung packaging ng unicorn lip gloss. Meron ka snow globe dyan. Ewan ko nakita. Ang snow globe, diba? Ang cute. And I forgot the price of this. Parang $185. Link ko na lang yung seller na pinagbilan ko nito. And the color that I have is number 2 and number 7. So, ganito yun. Makukuha mo siya ng ganyan. Swatch natin siya sa back of my hand. Ayan. ito, naka-doe foot siya, tapos medyo slanted. So, this is how it looks like. Medyo orangey color siya, medyo on the paso. Kind of color na super in ngayon. Let's swatch this on my lips. May amoy siya, medyo amoy chemical lang konti. Hindi siya super glossy as I want it to be kasi lip gloss nga siya. Parang medyo lang ano siya, liquid lipstick. Medyo orange siya, hindi siya bagay sa akin, pero let's try the other one. So this is number 7. Compare mo siya sa number 2. Super orange yung number 2. This one has like a pink undertone to it. And holographic yung kanyang label. And same time, may unicorn. Tapos may unicorn, tapos may mga glitters. Parang snow globe. Oh, mas bet ko to. It doesn't dry as... Hindi siya transfer proof. Yan. So be careful with using this one. I think I like this better with the blush on. Wipe natin to, see how long lasting this is. Mabilis siya mawala. No staining effect. Minimal lang pala. Minimal lang yung staining effect niya. And hindi rin naman yung kinlaim yun. So for the claim, sabi lang dito, silky smooth wear, luxurious formula, lightweight and creamy texture, irresistible shades from salty to punchy pinks, and perfectly even application. Which it really delivered na perfect yung application. Hindi siya patchy, pigmented siya. Nakita nyo naman ng one dip lang to. Lahat ng to. And the only thing that you should be careful is that this is not really transfer proof, so be careful in kissing your boyfriends. And if you're wearing white, for my final thoughts for the Neecara liquid blush, I really like this product. I mean, packaging wise, it's so luxurious, ganun ba pronunciation? Luxurious for the price of 350. Ito, I bought this for 350. Some sellers are selling this for 500. That is, for me, too much kasi ang lowest na nakita ko is like 350. So, be mindful of that. And this is from Thailand, I believe. Ito pala yung box siya. May box pala siya. And I like the pump, although the pump releases too much. So, feeling ko itong pump na ito pang foundation. Sana mas maliit pa. Other than that, this is a really good blush. And now I know why people treat this as a holy grail blush. I will try the 020 version of this one kasi may copycat version ito. So, dinupe niya si NARS, tapos dinupe siya ni 020. We'll try to see if they are somehow the same or totally different. Price range-wise, magkaiba yon. So, stay tuned for that video. But, as for now, I'm really liking this product. The only downside of this one is it's just too much when you're pumping it out. For an application, sobra siya sa gagamitin mo for that day. So, may remedy naman doon, as some say, or some, I saw someone putting this on a smaller pump. Next is the Juicy Lip Gloss. I like the packaging kasi ang cute oh. May mga unicorn for 186 pesos. Ang cute nung packaging niya. 6.5 grams is really a lot. Feeling ko hindi naman siya ganun madaling maubos. Problem is that this is just a personal preference. It does not stay long. Yung longevity niya hindi ganun ka-okay. Tapos yung pigmentation niya is really nice. This is just one swipe and I'm really liking it. I love the concept kasi ang dami na naglabas ng unicorn. And sila lang yung nakita kong super cute yung yung pagka-deliver ng unicorn packaging. So that is all it for this video. I hope you learned something. Let me know in the comment section below if Neecara liquid blush is also one of your holy grails. So much for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye!